Day by day, there are many activities that we cannot forget. In our cell phone, we have an application that is integrated with Google services. It not only serves to record appointments, but also as a reminder. It is available in both Android and web version. It has many advantages and possibilities to take advantage of and get much use from. And one of them is the ability to adapt to your preferences. If you want to automatically add the dates of your contacts' birthdays, you should only give access to Google Calendar to your contact list, thus adding them automatically. In the mobile version, you can create goals or reminders. In the button to add events, you can choose the option you need. You can add a specific color and create a custom code for each of the activities. For this, you must enter the event creation form and click on the default color option. You can add locations to your events, so when you share them with your contacts, it will be easier for them to access a specific location. You can also duplicate them and create a copy of the same event for another day, so you'll not waste time making changes or creating a new one. In the web version, you can share the calendar with other people. Go to the left bar in the section My Calendars. When you pass, the mouse and icon with 3 points will appear to the right of the name. In this, a pop-up menu will be displayed where you must choose to configure and share. In the Share section, with certain people, click on the Add People. In the section Access Permissions, selections Share Publicly. You can add guests to your event. Use quick answers and attach files in the cloud. Customize notifications and even configure to receive an email with the agenda of each day. For this, you must enter Configuration in the left column in the Configuration section of My Calendars and click on the calendar that you want to receive summaries. In the drop-down menu, click on the option General Notifications. In the box that is displayed on the right, press Daily Agenda and select Email.